It's 6:30 on Monday, November the 13th, and this is Anita Morgan saying, welcome to Radio Wales on 340 metres on the medium wave. Today's the day a brand new Radio Wales takes to the air. Every day from 6:30 to 9:30, I'll be bringing you this programme, AM.
Radio Wales, released from Radio 4's apron strings, paved the way for the big network change by staying on the same wavelength. Studio guests were an indication of things to come.
Well, one of the competitions that we're going to have is for the best talking bird in Wales. As you may hear, I've got one in the studio with me already, and I've got his owner. It's Terry Downey from Cardiff. Terry? What really sets him off?
Singing, Frank Sinatra, yes. That's,
well, I'm afraid they tell me we haven't got a Frank Sinatra disc, so would you like to substitute for Frank?
I can't sing at all, honestly, but, you know, well, you have to sing with me and then we can try it, but...
Yeah. You try on your own first, go on.
There you are. Come on in.
Come on, Paul.
Strangers in the night, da-da-da-dee-da-da-da, la-la-la-la-la, la-la-da-dee-da-dee-dee, la-da-da-da-da, la-da-da-da.
Parrots symbolise the entertainment side. Radio Wales's other face is news.
Radio Wales AM News at 7 o'clock, Monday, November the 13th. This is Chris Morgan.
Rugby is top of our news this morning. There are allegations that 2 New Zealand forwards deliberately cheated at Cardiff Arms Park on Saturday. But the match referee will be telling us that there was no foul play.
New Zealanders played this game entirely outside the ethics of the game.
The news team is now responsible for collating information from all corners of the globe as well as from Wales itself. And news of the news service met with mixed reaction from those who tuned in this morning.
I thought it was lovely.
What particularly
and with the phone calls, you know, I thought that was great.
Did you have a go yourself?
No, I haven't got a phone.
It was the sort of thing that you like to hear in the morning?
I thought it was great, yes, it was lovely.
Do you know what wave band it's on?
No, I'm still on the same as when I was with Vincent Kane.
And that's the right one to be on?
That's the right one. And it's a good reception.
And you think you'll stay listening?
Oh yes, rather. Thank you.
It seemed more commercialised to me, I don't know, it seemed more snappy, like, you know. But,
was that a good thing?
Well, I don't know, it's going to get used to, like, you know. It was certainly different, yeah.
Well, I didn't think it was so good. I switched it off. I didn't care for the last
It's not like a light programme.
With the music, very good. It was quite a change.
Did you hear the parrot by any chance?
Yes, very funny. I thoroughly enjoyed that.